Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to rename your AirPods on your Mac. It's a really simple process, so let's get right to it. First things first, we need to connect our AirPods to our Mac. Just hold your AirPods near your Mac and open the charging case. Not sure if they're connected? No problem. Click on the Control Center icon in the top right corner of your screen, then click on Bluetooth. Your AirPods should appear in the list. Click on them to connect. Alright, now that our AirPods are connected, let's rename them. Click on the Apple logo in the top left-hand corner of your screen and select System Settings. Once the System Settings window opens, click on the Bluetooth option. Now, find your AirPods in the list and click on the little icon next to them. This will bring up some AirPods information. At the very top, you'll see the option to rename them. Go ahead and type in whatever name you want. Once you've entered the new name, click on Done. And that's it. As you can see, the AirPods have been successfully renamed on our device. The next time you connect your AirPods to other devices, they should recognize the new name. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more helpful tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.